Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Got another radio from Jeff, and I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios so that I can show them to you. It's right here. It's hard to read. AFCO, AFCO radio, solid state, 15 transistor, AM/FM, model 12-2. And it's in very good shape, like most of Jeff's radios. I'll show you around here. There's the telescopic antenna. It's about 12 inches long. That's for FM. Little strap there. This is the volume on off, and this is tuning. This is the headphone jack. This is where the switch for the AM and FM is. It's on AM right now. Takes a 9-volt battery. There it is right there, 9-volt battery. It's probably not in focus, but there is the inners. A lot of components in this little radio, and it's pretty darn heavy. Put this back on. There we go. And we were listening to AM.
To have you with us this morning, may we have your blessing this morning, Archbishop?
Let me tune a little bit.
Yes, thank you. May the blessing of all. So stupid you are, Lummy.
Whoa.
You got Anna here. She's a new.
Oh boy, you got lots of volume. That's coming in really good. Tuning dial. It's a little hard to read. Down in there is a little red bar, shows you where you're at. We'll tune some more. Kind of middle of the band right now. Whoa!
It's about accountability.
Yeah, plenty of volume.
Through transparency.
And believe it or not, all the electronics in my workshop here is not disturbing the AM band. So that's nice.
Mistreatment by law enforcement or wrongdoing.
We founded Insperity with the mission of helping businesses succeed so communities prosper. A mission more vital today than ever. Focusing on providing HR and business support. Insperity
Sounds pretty good.
with the resources to weather the storm and help you
Pretty
rebound
clear.
confidently. Because it's about
Okay, let's try FM.
and building.
Whoa, boy, it's got a lot of volume. Okay, we'll go to FM, and then we'll extend this little antenna for FM. Surprisingly long for such a small radio. It's over 12 inches, more like 15 or 16. So we'll turn the volume back up, and we'll tune. Try to stay away from music.
What coffee do you choose to start
There we
your
go.
day? Here at the studio, Westrock is our choice of coffee. Westrock coffee is a high-quality, ethically sourced coffee that you can proudly brew.
What is amazing nowadays, at least in my area, about FM, which used to be a long time ago, we're talking many years ago, used to be exclusively music. Now it's about 75% talk radio and only 25% music. I'm talking about the stations. So let's tune a little more.
Causeway, it's up to speed in both directions.
It really locks in.
Guy Josh, we were friends for a long time. One night,
See, nothing but talk radio. Okay, there we go.
For Progressive and save on your car insurance.
Not quite tuned in.
We'll go right into the lawn. Progressive Casualty
There we
Insurance
go.
Company affiliates and other insurers. Discount not available in all states.
I can't believe all the volume.
Pound 529 on your cell. Pound law. That's
Alrighty. Whoop. Again, it's 9 volt. Let me show you the size. a little bigger than what would fit in my hand. Well, it fits in my hand, but it's full size, just for curiosity. Oh gosh, there goes my ruler. It's 3 inches by 5 inches and pretty thick, almost 2 inches deep. Not a bad little radio, in pristine condition. I don't see a little crack right there. Other than that, it looks very good. It does have a yellow orangish tint, like the previous owner was a smoker. Made in Taiwan. Again, at AFCO Electronics, model 12-2. Pretty cool. Thanks, Jeff, for loaning me these radios to show to you. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.